Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Today we are starting our first chapter of chemistry, Introduction to Chemistry. So let's start. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science. Do you know what is science? Science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. So science means to know or to discover. We can see in the picture many discoveries that all are gifts of science. Now main branches of science: universal sciences, social sciences, formal sciences. Here we are going to concern only with universal sciences. Universal science has two main branches, physical science and biological science. So they both depend upon the thing is living or non-living. If we study non-living things, that is called physical science, and if we study living things, that is called biological science. And physical science again divided into two things, two branches, physics and chemistry. And the study of living things, biological science, gives the subject biology. In biology we study animals, plants and humans. Now what is the definition of chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter. It also deals with the changes involved in matter, and it also deals with the principles that govern chemical changes of matter. Now, can you define matter? Yes, I know you all know what is the definition of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. These are all small things. What do you think? They have mass? Yes, they do have mass, and they also occupy the space. So they all are matter. And the big things, trees, mountains, river, they all are matter. What do you think? Air is matter or not? Does air occupy space? You can see in the balloon. Balloon is filled with the space, filled with the air. It means air also is a matter. Now what is composition of matter? It means the thing is made up of what elements? For example, water. The formula of water is H2O. H hydrogen and O represents oxygen. It means water composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. This is the composition of water. Can you tell composition of carbon dioxide? Can you tell composition of carbon dioxide by seeing its formula? The formula is CO2. C represents carbon and O represents oxygen. It means carbon dioxide is composed of two elements, carbon and oxygen. Now next thing what we study in chemistry is structure of matter. It means how the elements are combined to make a compound or a big substance. The structure of water. It has one oxygen and two hydrogen combined. Next is CH4. This is the methane gas what we use in our kitchen. That gas is composed of mostly methane gas, and if we see the composition, it has one carbon and four hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen are their components, and how they are arranged, this is the structure of matter. Next we study properties. Properties are of two types. Can you guess what will be the types of properties? Yes, there are two types of properties, physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties means shape, size, color, smell and taste of the substance, and chemical properties means how the substances react with other substances.